Welcome to Snowdonia National Park, home to one of Wales' most spectacular natural wonders, Aber Falls. Today we're embarking on an adventure to explore this hidden gem and uncover the secrets of its beauty. But first, the parking. There are two major car parks that can be used, this one you see here and one a little further up. It's £5 all day. This car park is cash only and the other one does accept card. The journey to Aber Falls begins at the trailhead where adventurers are greeted by a scenic forest landscape adorned with ancient trees and vibrant flora. The path meandering gently through Snowdonia National Park offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Morning or afternoon, depends on when you see this. Currently we're on our way to Aber Falls, which is northwest Wales. Traffic was shocking because we're doing it on the bank holiday, which is not something I recommend. Weather's not great, as you can see, but down there is the main river, and that, if you follow it, that'll just lead literally straight up to the waterfall. You've already seen the part of the video at the beginning where it's all the parking, so it is pay and display. Holy, that's deep. Holy oh, shit. Jesus! Anyway, where was I? So parking, yeah, parking's £5, or it's the, they want £5 cash, or you have to go to the top car park and it's £5 on the card. We got no cash, because not many people carry cash these days, so if you're going to come here, make sure you got some spare shrapnel. And also, there is a secondary car park, which is up there somewhere where them cars are. So if you head up there, you'll find the second car park. And now we're just literally on the walk straight to the falls. It is just a single path, so there's signs everywhere. You can't really get lost. Follow the signs, follow the path, you're all good. This is one of those places where I like, do you know what, Aber Falls, look good, Google it, get to the place. I don't know how long it takes to walk there, I don't know how far it is, so this is very much like, oh, a bridge. Like, winging it, do it, on it, get there, film, so it won't be as chaotic. Look at that, lovely, you probably can't hear me. I don't think this will be as chaotic as my other videos because it's a bit more chilled. So yeah, sit back and then just enjoy it. We are, I'd probably say, about halfway on the walk. Still, as you can see, well maintained. The waterfall, when you're here, you can just see it. It's over there somewhere. You can't see it now, there's trees in the way. But yeah, it's just over the brow, you can't miss it. Big old thing.
One of the most enduring myths surrounding Aber Falls is the tale of the Lady of the Lake. According to legend, a beautiful maiden resides within the waters of the falls, her ethereal presence imbuing the cascading waters with healing powers. Travellers who seek her blessing are said to find solace and rejuvenation in the embrace of Aber Falls.
And this is it, Aber Falls. You probably can't see much because there's a lot of mist coming from it, and it's very windy, so you probably can't hear me. But look at that. Absolutely phenomenal. Just letting a £700 camera get absolutely drenched. Love it.
Thank you for joining me on this adventure to Aber Falls, where nature's beauty reigns supreme and every step is a journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and explorations. Until next time, good hunting.